So apparently you can test Flux Kontext for free in the Black Forest Labs playground. You can create an account, you can sign up using your Google account or an email, and you'll get 200 free credits to get started. Give him a pair of glasses. Let's see. Oh, it's going to generate 4. Okay. Wow, this is very similar. Now let's get the same generated image and do more stuff to test the consistency. Put a crown on his head. I'm going to use this. Put him on Antarctica with his friends that looks exactly like him. Okay. Or like his sons. But he is pretty consistent. So you can obviously generate images as well. You can choose between Flux Kontext Max and Pro. Let's see a portrait of a woman. Dramatic light. Okay, not bad. Now, the interesting part. Let's edit. Put her on a beach wearing bikini. Oh, it's generating 4 again. So it resets to 4 all the time. Okay, I think it worked. Yeah, you know what people can use this for. Anyway, let's see if it can generate copyrighted characters. Put her and Spider-Man eating lunch at McDonald's. Yep, nope, it can't. Maybe changing this for a man, whatever. Okay, it worked. This is absurdly good. Give this giraffe an elephant body. Okay, no, it's not that good. So this is the Flux Playground where you can generate images or edit images with the newest Flux Kontext before they release the weights so we can use locally.